How to renew your driver's license. Using a DMV kiosk in California. If you're trying to renew your driver's license without waiting in long lines, using a DMV kiosk is a great option. These are self-service machines you'll find in DMV offices and some stores across California. Before heading out, make sure you've got the right info. You'll need your full name, date of birth, address that's already on file with the DMV, and your driver's license or ID card number. That's what the kiosk will ask for when you start the renewal. Now, when you're at the kiosk, it'll walk you through the steps on a touchscreen. Start by scanning your documents or just type the information manually. Once your info is in, you'll move on to payment. Kiosks accept credit and debit cards everywhere, and some places also take cash. But you can only use one payment method per transaction. Keep in mind, there's a small 1.95% fee if you use a card. After payment, the kiosk will print your receipt. If it's a registration renewal, you'll get your new card and sticker right away. If it's a license or ID renewal, you'll receive a temporary one instantly, and the official one will arrive by mail in about 15 business days. That's it. Fast, simple, and no waiting in line.